So here you have it. It's basically done, and I snuck a taste. Let me tell you, it is so delicious. So again, this is the Tuscan butter salmon. The recipe's been all over Facebook, and I've been craving this for days. And I must say, it's pretty delicious. And I did add in a few more of the cherry tomatoes towards the end because I wanted a little more color. So that's what you see at the top. But really pleased with the way it turned out. I might have gone a little overboard with the cream, but very, very delicious. And I was gonna make this a low carb meal, so I am cheating a little bit, just to be honest. I did make a little fettuccine to go with it, but not gonna go overboard on that. But yeah, I'm really happy with this. And total between prep and preparation is just like the recipe. It took me at the most 40, 45 minutes. Okay, you gotta try it.